Honey, often called liquid gold, has a rich history. Ancient civilizations revered it. Egyptians used it for healing and beauty. It was a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Today, honey still holds a special place in our hearts and kitchens. It's a reminder of nature's bounty. Its sweetness brightens our days. Honey's journey starts with bees. These industrious creatures collect nectar from flowers. They transform it into honey within their hives. This process is a marvel of nature. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of life. Honey's golden color is captivating. Its aroma is intoxicating. Its taste is a symphony of floral notes. Each spoonful is a sensory experience. It connects us to the earth and the bees that made it possible. Honey is a gift. It's a reminder to appreciate the simple things. It's a symbol of sweetness and joy. Let's delve deeper into the world of raw honey and discover its secrets. Not all honey is created equal. Raw honey is the purest form. It comes straight from the hive. It's unheated and unfiltered. This preserves its natural goodness. It's like a treasure chest filled with nutrients and enzymes. There are many types of raw honey. Each has its unique flavor profile and benefits. Manuka honey is prized for its antibacterial properties. Clover honey is mild and sweet. Wildflower honey is a complex blend of flavors. Buckwheat honey is dark and rich in antioxidants. Acacia honey is light and slow to crystallize. The variety is astounding. There's a raw honey out there for everyone. Experimenting with different types is an adventure. It's a delicious way to explore the nuances of flavor. Raw honey is a versatile ingredient. It can be enjoyed on its own, added to food and drinks, or used in DIY beauty recipes. Its potential is limitless. It's a pantry staple that's both delicious and good for you. I'll admit I was skeptical of raw honey at first. I thought it was just another health trend, but then I experienced its magic firsthand. I had a persistent cough that wouldn't quit. Nothing seemed to work. Out of desperation, I tried a spoonful of raw honey before bed. To my surprise, I woke up the next morning feeling much better. My cough had subsided, my throat felt soothed. I was amazed by the difference. Intrigued, I started incorporating raw honey into my daily routine. I added it to my yogurt and oatmeal. I drizzled it over fruit and cheese. I even used it as a natural sweetener in my baking. The more I used raw honey, the more I appreciated its versatility. It added a unique depth of flavor to everything I made. Plus, I felt great knowing I was nourishing my body with a natural and wholesome ingredient. Now, I'm a firm believer in the power of raw honey. It's a staple in my pantry and my medicine cabinet. It's my go-to remedy for coughs, sore throats, and even the occasional sleepless night. Raw honey is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients work synergistically to support your overall health and well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of raw honey is its ability to boost the immune system. It's rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your cells from damage. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help ward off infections. Raw honey is also a prebiotic. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for digestive health. It can help relieve constipation, bloating, and other digestive discomforts. Furthermore, raw honey has been shown to promote wound healing. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin and accelerate the healing process. It's a natural remedy for burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. Raw honey is a true superfood. Its benefits are numerous and far-reaching. Incorporating it into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support your health from the inside out. Section 5. Nature's Beauty. Elixir. Raw honey for radiant skin and hair. Raw honey's benefits extend beyond the kitchen. Its nourishing and healing properties make it an excellent natural beauty ingredient. It's been used for centuries to enhance skin and hair health. Raw honey is a natural humectant. This means it attracts and retains moisture. When applied to the skin, it draws moisture from the air and locks it in, keeping your skin hydrated and supple. Its antibacterial properties are also beneficial for the skin. Raw honey can help control acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritated skin. It's a gentle yet effective treatment for a variety of skin conditions. For hair, raw honey adds shine, softness, and manageability. Its enzymes and nutrients nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. It can also help soothe a dry and itchy scalp. Raw honey is a versatile beauty ingredient that can be used in countless ways. From face masks to hair treatments, it's a natural way to enhance your natural beauty. Section 6. Sweetening your life: practical uses for raw honey. Incorporating raw honey into your daily life is easy and rewarding. Here are some practical tips. Start your day with a spoonful. Enjoy a teaspoon of raw honey in the morning for a natural energy boost. Sweeten your beverages. Add raw honey to tea, coffee, smoothies, or even plain warm water for a touch of natural sweetness. Drizzle it on everything. Use raw honey as a topping for yogurt, oatmeal, pancakes, waffles, toast, and fruit. Bake with it. Substitute sugar with raw honey in your favorite baking recipes. Make your own salad dressings. Create delicious and healthy salad dressings with raw honey, olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. Soothe a sore throat. Mix raw honey with warm water and lemon for a soothing drink. Heal minor wounds. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to cuts, burns, and other skin irritations to promote healing. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy the goodness of raw honey. A DIY Spa Day Honey Face Mask for Glowing Skin. Indulge in a spa-worthy treatment at home with this simple yet effective honey face mask. 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil, half teaspoon lemon juice, optional. 1 in a small bowl. Combine raw honey, olive oil, and lemon juice if you're using it. 2. Mix well until you get a smooth paste. 3. Apply the mixture evenly to clean dry skin, avoiding the eye area. 4. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. This face mask is deeply hydrating, nourishing, and brightening. Raw honey moisturizes and soothes the skin, while olive oil provides antioxidants and helps lock in moisture. Lemon juice, if used, helps to brighten the complexion and even out skin tone. Pamper yourself with this luxurious face mask once or twice a week for radiant and healthy-looking skin. The buzz about raw honey, a testament to nature's power. Raw honey is more than just a sweetener. It's a testament to nature's power to heal and nourish. It's a reminder that the simplest things in life are often the most extraordinary. From the hive to your home, raw honey's journey is a fascinating one. It's a story of bees, flowers, and the intricate workings of nature. It's a reminder that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. Choosing raw honey is a conscious decision. It's a vote for sustainability, for supporting local beekeepers, and for preserving the environment. It's a way to connect with nature and appreciate the bounty it provides. Raw honey is a gift. It's a gift of sweetness, health, and well-being. Let's cherish it and honor the bees that make it possible. Your questions answered. FAQs about raw honey. A. Raw honey is unheated, unfiltered, and unpasteurized. Look for honey that is labeled as raw or unfiltered. It may appear cloudy or crystallized, which is a sign of its purity. A. Raw honey is generally safe for most adults and children over the age of 1. However, it's not recommended for infants under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. People with allergies to pollen or bee venom should also exercise caution. A. Store raw honey in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and heat. It may crystallize over time, which is natural and does not affect its quality. To decrystallize, simply place the jar in a bowl of warm water and stir until the crystals dissolve. A. Raw honey can be used in countless ways. Add it to smoothies, salad dressings, marinades, sauces, and baked goods. Use it as a natural sweetener for your beverages or simply enjoy it by the spoonful. A. Look for raw honey at farmers markets, health food stores, or online retailers that specialize in natural and organic products. The sweetest conclusion: embracing the magic of raw honey. Raw honey, nature's liquid gold, offers a wealth of benefits for our health, beauty, and well-being. From boosting immunity to enhancing skin and hair health, its versatility is as remarkable as its taste. By embracing raw honey, we're not just choosing a natural sweetener. We're connecting with nature, supporting sustainable practices, and nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Let's savor the sweetness of raw honey and appreciate the magic it brings to our lives.